It's Phenomena Month here at the Orlando Science Center. Hey guys, it's meteorologist Victoria Wisniewski, and today I'm here with Kevin. Kevin, what is the project that we are going to be taking on today?
So today we're talking a little bit about thaumatropes.
Ooh.
Thaumatropes are a really cool optical illusion. They were invented in 1820 by a British physician. Yeah, really long time ago. This is old technology. And they are a super cool optical illusion that allow you to see both ends of this piece of paper at a time. So we've got a design on one side and a design on the other side, and as you flip them together or spin them really close and really fast, you can see both sides of the image at once.
Whoa, that's cool. The birds in the cage.
Birds in the cage, yeah. This was actually one of the original designs in the 1820s, was a bird in a cage. So it's cool that we still use these. You can get them online anywhere. You just search up thaumatrope online. You can get templates to download and print out. So let's go ahead and make one. They're actually really simple. There's a couple of different ways. So as you've already seen both of them, there's one with a rubber band and 2 sheets of paper, and one with a straw and 2 sheets of paper.
Yeah.
So we'll do that one because it's a little bit simpler, a little bit easier.
Okay.
So you've already got your template cut out. So which one do you want to do? You want to do a fishbowl or a plant?
Let's do the fishbowl. So one of them I have a fish, and the other I have a bowl. So I have to put these together?
Correct. Yeah, you gotta put it together.
Let's do that.
It actually does matter which orientation you put them in as well.
Okay.
So for the orientation with the straw, you want to make sure that they're both facing the same direction because you're gonna be flipping them sideways.
Cool.
For this other one, they'll be sort of upside down and opposite direction for this one. But for the other one, you're gonna
do the straw?
Yeah, let's do the straw.
Okay. So I'm gonna take out the straw.
Yeah. So this is also a really great way to recycle straws. If you have like an excess straw, you can wash it out and reuse it.
Okay.
We happen to be using one from the coffee spot that's an agave straw, so already pre-recycled.
Okay.
Pretty cool.
Okay.
So for this one, go ahead and strap your tape on. You'll need a couple of pieces.
Double-sided tape.
Correct. This one is
so that
double-sided
helps
tape.
a little bit.
It does help, makes it a little bit easier. You can put some tape on both sides, front and back of both your fishbowl and your fish.
Okay.
And then we'll strap your straw right on top.
Okay. So I'm just gonna put it on one side, is that all right?
Yeah,
and then we'll stick them together?
Yeah, you will need something to connect the straw as well.
Okay. So let's grab another piece of tape. So put the straw on, and then we'll secure it?
Secure it just like that. Stick both ends together.
All right.
Amazing, and give it a test.
Cool. Okay. We got a fish and a fish bowl. Let's work. Oh wait, yeah, the fish is in the bowl.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah,
that's so cool.
That one works amazing.
All right, so this is one of the many illusions and phenomena you can learn here at the Orlando Science Center during the month of July. We hope that you try this out. This is really cool.
Absolutely. Hope to see you soon.